Hi, crafty friend. Today I'm so excited to share this really cool project. If you are making to sell or making to give in bulk, grab some of these ornaments. These necklaces turn out to be under 75 cents each, and that is with the chain. I picked these up at Hobby Lobby and they were half off. You got 12 of them for $6.99. You're going to go ahead and just clip off that thread. And then I'm using some larger size jump rings to go through the hole that came on the little clay pieces. You're going to open up your jump ring, remember, side to side, don't pull it apart. Loop that on to your little tiny ornament. And they had so many different ornaments. So if these gingerbreads aren't your style, take a look. All the craft stores have some mini ornaments coming in. They've even got cute ones for Halloween. Now for the ball chain, you could do 14 or 16 inch, 18 or 20 inch. I'm doing 16 inch on this. You're gonna just thread it right through that jump ring. This ball chain came with the clasps. Look how cute these are. Awesome for making to sell, awesome for bulk, under 75 cents each.